Hey everybody, this is Aaron down at Clear Creek RVs. Today we're going to go through the Alliance Delta ML206. Let me show you the first feature. Follow me. Over here we have our non-campsite access to the pass-through. One of the cool things that Alliance does on all their RVs, they have slide-out controls, not only inside but on the outside. I can actually open up my slide right here from the non-campsite in case I'm close to a tree or a pole. I can keep an eye on that as that slide's going out. No longer do I have to rely on someone else to tell me am I getting close or not. Of course, this is the campsite of our pass-through. Nice big storage for everything that we may need. As well as, just like we had slide control on the other side, I can control my awning from the outside here, again, just to keep an eye on it as it goes out. Hey everybody, first thing I want to show you in here is the kitchen. We've got a farmhouse sink, nice stainless steel, looks great. We've got the nozzle that pulls out so we can clean all our dishes. It's awesome. Another cool feature in here is all the fixtures have shut-offs at the fixture. So if we'd have a problem while we're out camping, drippy faucet, something like that, we can just shut that off right at the fixture itself, have water throughout the rest of the RV and keep camping. We've got nice soft close features, so we got good storage up here. Those things aren't going to slam, make anybody upset, especially in the middle of the night. Microwave, stove, oven, beautiful. We got this nice big pots and pans drawer down here, so you keep all your big pots and pans down here. Just gives them a nice space. You're not always struggling to find a spot. If you need a little extra countertop, not a problem. That pops up, gives us a little extra counter space here. And in the back, we got our fridge freezer. Of course, tons of storage space in there. We've got a little extra storage space right next to the fridge, full depth all the way back, top and bottom. And then when we really need some extra storage, we've got our pantry, full extend drawers all the way. Keep all your food organized, don't lose anything all the way at the back. We also have theater seating in here, super nice, recliners on both sides. We also have an armrest in the very middle with a couple extra cup holders. And then, hey, if it gets to be dinner time and I want to sit down and watch TV, I've got these nice trays, whether I'm working on my computer, having a little snack, whatever it may be, but I can keep it right in front of me. And if I don't need it and I'm done, I can just push it out of the way. And then directly across from our theater seating, we have the TV exactly where you want it, as well as we have the fireplace, which doubles as a 5,000 BTU electric heater on those cool mornings or evenings. This RV has a nice open concept. We've got the curtain to give you a little extra separation as far as into the bedroom, but most of the time you keep it nice and open, keep a nice airy feeling. Great storage up here, hanging or shelves, your choice. We've got a little extra storage down here, nice drawer, keep all those things next to your nightstand. And another awesome feature, outlets and USBs on both sides. Keep all your devices charged and plugged in overnight. Check out this bathroom. I'm 6 foot tall. I have no problem fitting in here. And look at this shower head. I can actually wash my hair, not just the middle of my back. Couple other cool features in here. Check out this pantry space. You got a little extra storage in here, but the nice thing is that's covered up when I don't want to see it, as well as an oversized stainless steel sink. So none of those tiny little baby sinks. We got a nice big sink here in the bathroom. Thanks for coming through the Alliance Delta ML206. If you want to explore it further, come see me, Aaron Card, down at Clear Creek RVs.